Hello and welcome to this video guide that's here to walk you through the Umbra-X add-on, its capabilities, and how to use it. Umbra-X has been designed to provide a straightforward way to search for and input case information directly to Umbra without ever having to leave the website that is being utilized. In this video, I'll be walking you through important things to know while using Umbra-X and how to use it. So this video assumes you already have Umbra-X installed. If you haven't, please choose the video that talks about how to install Umbra-X. Once Umbra-X plugin has been added, click the Show Sidebars button, and it will open the Umbra-X. If you choose the partition between the website and the add-on, you can give yourself as much space as needed. Another thing to know is that while using Umbra-X, once you have connected to the server and have information in it, do not click the button again, as that will delete all data that has not been sent off to the main server. So here you need to input your server URI. In this case, it is actually the link that is right up there. Insert your username and password. If you do not have that yet, please consult our videos describing how to use the Umbra UI itself. And the status shows that we are connected. Typically, there's only three things status will show: connected if you're connected, unauthorized access if you mistyped in the password or username, or unknown error. That situation usually means there's some issue with the server URI, so please verify the address that you have inputted there. So if you want to start using Umbra-X, first choose your portfolio. Here we're going to be using test case, and choose your target within the portfolio. With this, we will be using Walt Disney as an example. Another thing to know before we start using the add-on is that I highly recommend having the Umbra UI off to the side while using it, having it open in a tab, for two main reasons. One is that sometimes the analyst will need to verify that the data from Umbra-X has made it into the Umbra server and that it has been given the proper identifiers. Also, sometimes there's some information items that are easier to manage directly within the Umbra UI. So once the portfolio and target has been selected, you can click down Selection Processing. I will now give an example of how to select data. So let's go here to Walt Disney and let's look for pieces of information about maybe, let's say, where he died. So all right. Here we go. So he died at St. Joseph's Hospital on December 15th. So once you have the information from the website selected, right-click it and click the Umbra-X option. And here you'll automatically see the selected text pop up within this little box. Here you're able to provide the data classes and specifications needed. It will allow you to provide the classifications for data that will be inputted to the portfolio. The Umbra-X add-on offers options for the analyst to define the data. Do this by selecting the data class that reflects what the selected information is, as well as the element type. Often there will only be one element type for each data class. Once this is done, click the Move to Pen button in order to prepare the selected information for transfer to Umbra. So this is going to be location information, and it's just going to be notes. And let's say the element is his birth town. Or here, let's just add site of death. All right, then click Move to Pen. The holding pen is the final stage the information goes through before being sent off to Umbra-X. Here you're able to verify that the information you want is here. If you have multiple things in the Umbra-X holding pen at once, you can click and delete information if needed. But if everything looks good, just click Update Umbra, and as you can see, it leaves here, and now it is in the target for Walt Disney, and you saw that little notification up top that just lets you know that the information from Umbra-X has been inputted, so it's a good verification to look at just to make sure the information has made it across. So let's go down to Locations, Site of Death, and it will be under Miscellaneous since it was notes. Here you can see the time, who added it, and the link listed in the notes, as well as the information specifically right here. Another thing I want to show you real quick is how to add images to Umbra-X. A good thing to know is you don't want to just right-click the image link here and add it to Umbra-X, because then it's going to add the whole page. More specifically, you want to get as close to the image as possible. So let's open this link in a new tab. Click it again. And here we just have the image. So just right-click the image here. Do what we had done previously. Make sure that it's put under image, image URL, and let's choose image of site of death. The link is here. Let's move it to the pen and update to Umbra. And this will be specifically under, let's see. It will be under the materials since it is an image, so documentation resources. Here, image of site of death. And if you highlight over the little hyperlink thing, you will be able to see the image. Then you can provide any background, or the background is filled in. The type you can fill in, the file upload, or you're able to upload additional files to this, and you can add notes. Here you can see that the notes that appeared on the previous one appear here. Thank you for watching this video, and we will be uploading future videos showing Umbra and Umbra-X used in tandem in an actual case study, so please keep an eye out for that. Thank you.